Hey guys, Jim Downs at Motorhome Rehab. Well, I'm not actually at Motorhome Rehab Ranch right now. We're at Mark's place. Not Mark. Dave.
That's Mark.
This is Dave. This is Mark. That's Dave. This is Dave's place here, and there's snow outside. I was going to bring some in here, but I know they did say, so what? But there was snow out there. I can make a snowball. Very cool. You know, for somebody in Florida, snow, cold sand. Well, look, this is the beginning of the second phase of this trip. We're going to stay here and play with Mark's. He's got a 77 late model here. Got like late model, right? 403?
Yeah, 403. Yeah.
How long have you had it?
About 3 years.
3 years. All right. Just figuring out how to unlock the doors, probably.
I'm getting there. Yeah.
Well, we're going to play with his a little bit, and it was wonderful that he picked us up at the airport. It's too bad last week we had a plan, and we were gonna get with the club and just have a real hoedown. But unfortunately, I got cold, and most of them put their babies away for the winter. And but
What's our altitude? We're 8,000. Just under 8,000.
8,000 feet.
Yeah.
Well, it got too cold. They put them away, but he was willing to come get me, and I wanted to thank him for that. Something I wanted to give him, and I did a video about these. You know that in January I had 2 businesses, Co-op Motorworks, but also Firefight Products. Why? Because an antique motorhome is a mobile campfire looking for a match. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And gentleman that actually originally designed this stuff, guess what? Had a GMC. And I thought it was a wonderful thing. The material in here is actually what they use at the airport. It's called a hydrocarbon emulsifier. In other words, it mixes with the fuel, turns it inert. If you have a foam truck in your local fire department, this is the stuff they have in it. Usually they mix it to about 4%. This is 9%.
Oh, wow.
This will put out, it will give you 12 to 15 seconds of a triggered spray,
Cool.
8 to 10 foot distance, and it will put out an underwater flare.
Oh, wow.
It's good stuff.
That's really good. Thank
You can drink it too.
Can you?
Don't. It
No.
tastes terrible.
Please don't.
It tastes terrible.
All right, thank you.
But listen, guys, we used to sell these all day for $29, and people were standing in line. I've got about 400 of them at the house that I saved. And you guys want to have, this is a minimum fire safety.
Probably.
This will help you get out of the motorhome.
Probably way better than this thing. Huh?
Oh, that's garbage.
Yeah.
That's garbage. That dry powder chemical thing,
Takes up a lot of room in here.
if you breathe that, it will burn a hole in your lung.
Oh, okay.
Because it's a caustic soda.
Probably makes a mess out of your engine too.
Well, anything it touches, it'll etch aluminum, it'll etch glass.
Oh, wow.
If it hits a harness, it's over.
Wow.
So guys, if you have a fire extinguisher in your motorhome and it's a dry powder chemical, please throw it away. Please. Get one of these. Or there are a lot of them similar. I wish I could tell you that everything in a can like that's the same. It's not. They're different kind of foams. This is called a designer foam. And it's designed specifically for fuel type fires. It will also do AB, but specifically fuel fires. If you're interested in these, $20 shipping. I believe you can go USPS for like $8 or something like that, $7.
It's full. I can feel it.
Oh yeah.
It's plenty full.
As long as it doesn't have a little goo at the top,
Yeah. Good.
it's ready to go.
All right.
Just pop the top and go.
Thank you, Jim.
Yep.
Appreciate it very much.
And you guys, I've got about 400 of them left. If you want one, I'll sign it. How's that?
It's 23. This says it doesn't expire till 27.
Well,
Plenty of shelf.
you know, let me explain that. There's no expiration date. It's not real. as long as it's not gooey at the top, it's ready to go. This one has the expiration date of 27. I don't think we're going to live that long anyway.
Maybe
But
not. I hope so.
That's right. This is something else. When I had the co-op, I had a wonderful upholsterer. The guy was awesome. Louis Four from Columbia. Boy, he cut his teeth on doing antique furniture. Spanish, stuff. You know. And before the Tallahassee rally, I had him make a bunch of these up. We were going to take them to the rally and debut them. And you know something? I forgot to take them. Then it all got buried up. When Mark was at the shop, we were trying to get the place. Yep. Mark found them. What is it? You know, it's the driver's seat that oh, you got a kind of cool little thing there, but usually it's a pretty nasty looking rubber mat. Check this out, guys. The steering column goes right through here. Velcros to hold it up in there. It's contoured to go fits the bucket, and then it's got Velcro on the side, and they're longer. It'll come out to where your carpet is, and it'll Velcro itself in there. So then when you get off the trip, you take it out and clean it out, put it back in. Yeah, throw it in there.
Yeah, grab the camera and show them.
Yeah. Here, go ahead and work that out. Let me get the camera.
Show them how easy it is.
Yeah, let me get over here.
Oh.
Yeah. There you go. Get it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Everybody get a good look at it there.
Oh yeah, look.
Yeah.
Almost matches.
Yeah. Dirt colored.
Yeah, that's just insert, but yeah, you can.
Got some in black.
Yeah.
We've got an upholsterer that's gonna build these for us, and so down the road, if you see me have these available, let me know, and I'll get you some.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, this whole trip. Well, first the trip was to get that Florida Gator up into Colorado, but because I'm on the West Coast, Chad at your leisure wanted me to come back over and to do the dash, the Mac Dash. It is designed for most everybody to do it, but they wanted me to do it, and you know something, I want to. We'll be doing some video about that. I'm gonna have high school kids. I'm gonna have high school kids help me, and I'll bring the camera and I'll show you what that's about. I can't wait to do that. I understand that we've got another GMC owner that may want us to put his dash in, and Mark over here is going to be helping with At Your Leisure Road Force 1 to make sure all the wires are put together. We don't know if we've fired it up yet. Adam, I hadn't seen where you fired it yet, so maybe we can fire that mother up. That'd be fun.
That'd be good.
Bring the fire extinguisher.
Yeah, we'll bring. We'll bring the fire extinguishers. But this whole trip has been a real blast. I love to get out on the road, and after being in the business and being at the shop for 25 years, you got to think about it. You guys would come in, I'd do some work, and we'd have a good time, but you'd leave, and I'm still there. This year, I've already made 2 trips, and next year, what I want to do is I want to do a tour around the country. We want to have rendezvous rallies, ranch hand rendezvous rallies all around the country.
That'd be good.
Whether we have 3 or 4 people or 10, I don't care. But I'm going to make that trip. I'm going to bring my wife. She hadn't been out either. we haven't been out, and next year, that's what we're going to do. This is kind of a prequel or something to getting out.
You're getting tuned up for travel.
That's right, getting tuned up. So you guys watch first of the year. We'll probably start talking about that. But it's really about using the motorhome. There's so many things on social networking stuff. Some people, some of the people, the talking heads that tell you how to do stuff, there are trees grown up where the motorhome went in. They can't even get it out. I don't respect that. This motorhome is made to drive, not to just talk about and fool with or anything like that. It's made to drive. It's made to have a good time with. you know, and I want you guys to do that. It's getting harder and harder to find places to work on your coach. I'm not there anymore. Sorry. But it is getting harder and harder to find people that are willing to work on this. And with the labor rates going, I was embarrassed. I mean, I'm so happy I don't have to have a shop and charge $150 an hour. It's just, that's embarrassing, you know. Part of the idea of Motorhome Rehab Ranch is to help you guys do as much as you can yourself, or if you find a local mechanic that's actually willing to work on it for you, buy him a pizza. I want to help him work on your motorhome with you. That's the whole idea of Motorhome Rehab Ranch. It's all of us get together, talk about how to work on the motorhome, how to fix it. What's that blue wire over there? Why'd smoke come out over here? That kind of stuff. That's what we're trying to do.
They all run on smoke, right?
Yeah. You
let the smoke out, it doesn't run.
Don't let the smoke out. It's a highly technical situation there. You know, don't let the smoke out. So anyway, we're going to have a great time this evening. Got Roll Tide. Crimson's on, going to beat Georgia, right? Right.
Well, we don't talk too soon.
Well, okay, all right. Let's not mess
I'm
up.
a realist.
There you go. Well, watch that tonight. We'll be watching it together. And tomorrow we hit AmTrak, and we go south toward Utah. Yes, sir.
West, southwest,
southwest. I don't know.
Almost due west.
I'm on the other side of the Mississippi. I have no idea where I'm at.
You're gonna see some scenery.
Yeah. Well,
real pretty scenery.
That's great.
Have your camera ready.
God bless America.
God bless America. That's right. Well, guys, thank you for a little bit of time. I hope you're enjoying this.
Stick with us.
Stick with us. We got more coming. All right. Like, share, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. And be sure to call me. Had a guy call today. Said, I was just working on the motorhome and it just stopped. It just turned off. So he called me up and we're doing checks and stuff. And he said, no, wait a minute. It's back on. It works. So I'll send him a bill. But I don't know what I did. He doesn't know what he did. But it's working.
Magic.
It is magic. It's magic. So yeah, if you guys got questions, that's what I do. It's fun. I enjoy it, and I hope I can be helpful to you. All right, again, thanks a lot, and stay with us. More to come. All right.
Roll time.
All right.